Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with You. This is Chan, and today we're making a fish roe fried rice, which is a 10 minutes easy and quick recipe that you'll love. So let's get started with prepping the ingredients. We're going to start with mincing 4 garlic cloves very finely, and then set it aside on a large plate. Take 1 small white onion and dice them. And then we're going to set it aside on the large plate with the garlic. Now we're going to cut 3 Chinese sausage links by cutting them into 4 long pieces like this. And then turn it around and then cut it into tiny little pieces. Now we're going to put it to the side as well, along with the onion and garlic on the large plate. Pour a generous amount of oil into the wok on high heat. Beat 2 whole eggs in a bowl and pour it into the wok. You're going to cook it fully and then cut them into small pieces with your spatula. Set it aside on a small bowl. Put in a small amount of oil into the wok again, remaining on high heat. Now put in the minced garlic and Chinese sausage pieces and cook until the garlic is golden brown. Put in the diced onions and 1 cup of defrosted mixed diced veggies. Stir and cook until the onion is translucent. Put 3 cups of cooked jasmine rice into the wok. Make sure your rice was put out for at least 2 hours at room temperature without a lid so that any moisture is evaporated. So once you put in the rice, immediately put in your seasonings, which are 1½ teaspoons of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1/8 teaspoons of ground white pepper, and 1½ teaspoons of chicken broth mix powder. Stir until you don't see any white clumps of rice, but if there are, just break them up with your spatula and continue stirring. Once your rice is well incorporated with all of the other ingredients, put in 2 tablespoons of tiny fish roes and mix it well. Add in the cooked eggs that we had set aside into the pan, mix it all up, and turn off your heat and your fish roe fried rice is ready.